So today we had one signal so far, one momentum burst signal right away out of the US cash session open. Down we went, and I blipped out somewhere in here on the two accounts that I use as master accounts, talking out trade activity to other accounts, and got my 700 a day per account. I've been sitting on my hands, not having to deal with this garbage, and as you can see, there's no momentum signals. So one and done day. I traded a little bit of lighter than normal position size today, and if I would have traded normal size, I probably would have done about 900 per account, but that's fine. I'd rather just be done on the day, get over 700, blip out, call it a day, and I got admin stuff, I got projects I'm working on with programmer. Programmer got tied up for about a week, and now he's coming back online, and we got some stuff that's kind of been slow developing here that we're going to start accelerating the next few days. So that feels good. So I'm going to jump on Zoom, get that stuff accelerating again. Got all kinds of new stuff in build. Let's take a look also at the quick scalping chart I've been showing the last few days. Let's pull that up real quick. So after the US cash session open, that was the first red dot. In the overnight session, we had green dot. So the first red dot, if you work that as a trade setup, you caught the move, or if you waited for the momentum burst signal, you caught the move. We came down here. We have not cleaned out this pivot low. I wouldn't really be all that excited about being a buyer until we clean that out and do a level sweep, but we have had some congestion in this area as the market. It's almost maybe like yesterday. We come down, they junk it around for a while, and then we might get another, decent leg down. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, one and done there. And, again, visually simplistic quick scalping right out of the open, either using coloration, the shape of the indicator, which I've shown now for 2 days, how you can adjust it, change the look of it, since it has multiple axes of adjustability. So the indicator doesn't just have like XY axis, it has like 4 or 5 axes of adjustability. So that makes it very dynamic in capability. So one and done on the day with the Algo IQ program AIQ1 indicator. So Friday, one signal, two signals, three signals, four signals all worked out. Then we had yesterday, we had one signal after the US cash session, two, three, and should have been done somewhere in there. Today we had one and done. So that was plenty of good distance of price movement to get you one and done. If you're trading like 5, 6, 7 MNQs, something like that, on 100 per 150K account. And then I like when the market goes in congestion, we're not really getting any, we're not getting any signals. There's no momentum burst. Now, if this breaks down and rips down through this low, we're very likely going to get a momentum signal, our second one of the day, to the downside. Not sure what's taking so long, because we do have that level for the big rally on Friday. We have that key level, and I'm kind of surprised we haven't run that level yet. So if we clean out that level, then maybe the market might find some buyers to the point we get more of a V bottom shape pattern, and start building some support, maybe getting rally, or this could break down and just keep selling. And if you do take a look at the market, there's a little bit of a head and shoulders. There's the one shoulder, the head, the second shoulder, and we're just now piercing through the neckline. So some people are into those price patterns, and there you have it. So we do have a head and shoulders, but as clean as day. Let's get that fixed up there. So there's your head and shoulders. Let me move my drawing tool out of the way. There's the two necklines. And you can see we're chipping away right now at that area. So could this start accelerating? You never know. With Halloween coming up next month, maybe let's put a few teeth in there. There you go. I'm bored, so there you go. There's the scary Nasdaq head and shoulders, potentially playing out right before our eyes. See what happens. Hey, you always got to have some fun and have some humor. Okay, so the Algo IQ program. If you have any questions, just contact us at info@gridalgo.com. If you want to see pricing on anything, go to the website. And I do have a 2-platform special offer in play. So if you're using Quantower and NT8 and want the tools on both platforms, not only do I let you set up on 2 platforms, but you can have 2 machine IDs per platform. So you could run your NT8 tools on VPS on a laptop or a PC on a laptop or 2 laptops, up to you. And then also for those that are using Quantower, you can run it on 2, we use hardware IDs there to activate the tools. And you can run it on 2 platforms there also. So there you have it. There's the market. Had that rally, pushed, traded above the super band's main band's level, came down yesterday, blew through the lower level, bounced to about mid-band, lifted a bit, and that got sold into right away. And we'll see if we can come and pierce through the lower side of the bands at some point today, especially if this head and shoulders pattern really plays out and the market starts breaking down. Okay, this is a nice short video today. You only needed half a tub of popcorn instead of the full tub. And we'll call it good at a 7-minute video today. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. I have one other topic I'm going to cover later in the day when it comes to quick scalping. I'll put that video up midday, most likely. Have a great day. Talk to y'all later.